creating energy, right? And really make it show awesome. So the first thing you want to do is you establish the legs. You don't want to cross our legs, because then you put one of his legs over top of one leg and out, and that block legs. So I want to get my legs here, nice and tight, okay? And then we're going to establish the rear naked choke. I need an underhook and an overhook. Now, I don't want to have my top hand out this way as a gable grip, because if I grab, he will pull my arm down grab my forearm on this hand there, and I don't have a grip anymore. So I want to take the gable grip, and I want to have the underhook hand on the outside. Okay, I'm going to grab, and I'm going to dig my heels into his thighs, and then from here I'm going to get nice and tight. Okay, so he goes to grab with his hand here. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let go, grab this shoulder, grab his hand, bring it back. And then I'm going to bring it over here, grab the top of the shoulder, pull it back, push the chin in. Okay, grab my bicep here, from here, and then just feed my hand right back. And I'm going to bring my elbows together. Okay. Okay, that's a couple times I've explained it, so just do that. Grab his shoulder. Squeeze the elbow toward your chest. There we go, that's good. Alright, and then you do this way. And we'll get to that real quick. Okay, so now, Mark, this is not Mark's first rodeo, and I thought a little bit earlier for videotaping for the lesson here. Okay, so now we got this gable grip. And he decides that he wants to follow one direction. He's going to try to follow where my hands are at. That's his escape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just hook this leg here and fall to my left side, because it's my power side. Okay? So they can see as you fall. Here. Okay, so I got my gable grip here. I got this leg hooked. I'm pushing, hooked. Okay? So he goes to grab, I'm going to grab his hand, grab his shoulder, and just do the same exact thing. Pull his head back, push his chin in, grab my bicep with this cross hand, bring my hand behind it, pat his head, and then basically bring my elbows together and chest out. Go. Alright, so the last technique we did, we got two more techniques. We got the cross collar one we were doing. So we've got our legs in the same position, but we're going to grab a hold of the collars, and we can get a pull and nice and tight with our head in, so he's not going to let us. We're going to open one up and feed it to our hand. Get nice and deep. Now when we grab the other collar on this side, you're going to pull down, release the big slack out, and then we're going to pull, as we bring our knuckles down, we're going to bring this one up first. Okay, again one more time. I'm here, I've got both collars here. I'm going to open this one up. I'm going to feed my thumb nice and deep. I can grab if I have to a couple times. Okay, get nice and deep. Grab this other collar, pull it straight, pull the slack out. And when I pull the slack out, you just have it right there. But I'm going to just pull slack out and then pull. Remember to pull this way, but remember to pull the slack out down. This one is very important to pull that slack out. So this is your cross collar choke from right now. Go. Now we're going to do a little add-on from the first technique, the rear mount rear naked choke. So this is kind of more higher level stuff. It's kind of fun to play with. So when he goes to fall, and I've got this, he goes to grab, I go to fall and I grab his hand, I'm going to take this leg and wrap it around this leg, arm, and just tuck it in here, okay? Nice and tight, pinch his shoulder. My hand's already grabbed here. I can just pull his head back if I need to, push his chin in. Now he can't fight with his hand, and I just apply the rear naked choke. I just really got to get this arm tucked here and underneath, okay? I mean, if he decides to push you dead like that, he's really flexible with his shoulder. I'm just going to pinch. Can you pull your arm out, Jaden? I'm just going to pinch it with this leg. This leg's going to tuck behind his right here and his gluteus maximus. Right in his gluteus maximus, and then I'm just going to push this in here and get that rear choke. So you're basically just capturing his arm.
Excuse me.
Just fight with that hand. I'll grab it and pull that leg around. Pinch the leg by the naked choke. There we go.
Can you get that one?
Alright, so those are the chokes that we went over today. Mark's going to turn that way on it while he's right here, so we're going to take his back as he turns. So from there, pause. I've got myself, as you come over here, you can see my leg, Jaden. You can see my legs right here. I've got this technical mount, basically, but he's still in the motion of going to his belly to take turtles. So he continues to go. So I allow him, and I'm pinching with this leg as it goes, but I'm allowing him as he goes. I'm going to walk my feet and hook my arm here. Go back over again. Goes, I plant my hands, I slide this leg up, I walk my hands and feet back with him. Hook my arm here, get my hand underneath, grab in my gable grip, and then from here, I'm going to flatten him out. And then I can pull him one way if I want to, and get my rear naked choke.
Now you went the opposite way, so that's fine. So here.
Just there.
And here.
Yeah.
So my heel here.
Yes, but don't be tight with it. It's firm, but it's not tight, so he can continue to turn.
Okay.
Now he walks to his feet, and you just walk between his feet. There we go. Stay behind. There we go. Flatten him out. Now pull him to your power side. There we go. Slide your back knee up. There we go. Now let him walk. Put your feet between his. Hook your arm. Get your butt back. Tuck your butt behind him. You're too far high. You're too high. Get your butt back. Now tuck one under his armpit. Through there. There we go. That's your security. Now grab your gable grip with it. There we go. Now flatten him out. Now pull him to your power side. There we go. We can just stop right there. Here. So what I want to do, Jaden, is I want to grab and try to get him forward to plant his hands. So I'm going to grab one of his arms and I'm going to pull up and bring his arms up like this. So he's planting the arms ahead as I go again. So I want that to shoot this hand above, under gable grip. Okay? So now I'm going to take his back. I'm going to shrimp over like this real quick. Grab. If I can't grab, we shrimp one more time. Okay, this hand is already on the back. I'm going to grab. Okay? Now, this arm right here, and help get this one out. I'm holding on. Now I've got this leg here, over here, if you look over here. The bottom leg, this one, I'm going to put it in between as I hip one more time. I'm going to put it between, and then I'm going to drive this leg under, and I can grab onto his armpit and pull him. From here, I can grab onto his gi collar too to help keep control of him. You feel that, Mark? Mm-hmm. And then I pull, and it takes his back. Now I've already set up a collar grip right here, and I can just reach in nice and deep, or I can get my, reestablish a grip. There we go. Now grab onto his. Bring your legs to you. There we go. One under, one over. Now the underhook side is going to be the one that's going to grab it. You lock your ankles. Okay, now you're going to shrimp to your left. Keep shrimping to your left. There we go. Now grab his armpit with your left. There we go. Keep going one more time. Get shrimp one more time. Now get that leg up underneath him. Your left leg's going to go underneath. Your right leg. Now drive your left to the ground as you pull him over. And there you are. Better. That looked way better. Go again. Elbows in.
I feel like I want to grab both, right?
You can grab both if you want to. It does not matter. We just want him to plant his hands in front of you. Okay, you want one arm in front, one arm around. So you got both double underhooks. You need a double. You need a double and a over, under and over. There we go. That holds him tight. Now pull him.
I gotta go here.
That record button.
Okay.
Okay, he's put his arm over here. Okay, he's got this here, and we're gonna go for a howdy choke, but instead of the howdy choke, he turns in, so he kind of escapes one. But hold on, I gotta get there first. So I'm swimming to get my howdy choke, and I'm coming up, bring my hand here, but he turns in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this leg, bring it over, bring my pillow underneath him, keep turning as you go. And he's got this position here. Okay, what I'm going to do is take this leg and drive it underneath him as I pull and hook this leg. All the way to the other side. Hook. Now I'm just going to pull his head back. Get my rear naked choke. Okay. Drive your leg. There it is. Now,
here.
Swim.
Keep turning. Dang.
Drive that leg.
I didn't feel it. I gotta hook this, right?
Yeah, now, go. Pull him as you go, hook. Keep pulling. There we go. Take his back from knee on belly, so I'm gonna put my knee on his belly first. And I'm gonna get this collar here, and then I'm gonna take my thumb, and as I go, I'm gonna grab my thumb here. He grabs my hand and pulls, so I can't get the choke. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna take his back. So I'm just gonna pull and bring his legs up here. Step in. He's already open. Choke. Here we go.
There you go.
You take north-south and do the same technique, taking the back because we did it on the knee on belly. So I'm going to take and I'm going to grab a collar across here like this. Now I can just grab and pin like this if I want to, okay? But I'm out of the way so you can see, but I can grab here like this if I want to too as well. So, if I already got this, like this, already established, down here when I'm in this position, pull up, I've already got my neck, his neck for a rear naked choke. So, I get down here like this, alright, I'll take this hand here and put my hand in his collar, and I'm going to grab this one here, okay? Now I'm just going to walk up, walk to, take his back. I already have this one deep, so I'm just going to pull.
Yeah.
You're not deep enough with your collar when you're grabbing this one here. Okay, here we go. Now you feel it's like way deeper. Now just pull his jacket straight. All right, here we go. Get those legs, shoot those legs. There you go, good.
Yep.
So we started earlier with getting in the remount and the chokes. Now we're going to look back at escaping. So the first thing I want to do is I want to grab, establish this grab here. And this is his weak side. So I'm going to fall to his weak side as I grab onto his foot and baseball slide this leg out. So now as I'm here, this arm here is now applying pressure onto his upper thigh. And I'm going to grab that. As I do that, try to get my leg out. I keep my pressure on his upper thigh with my arm, okay? Now from here, I don't need to worry about choking me as much, but I can establish this grip here with the hand. And I'm gonna walk myself over his leg. I'm gonna drag myself with my bum and on my back. Now I'm gonna grab my bridge, my pressure here, and now I'm gonna back step. Right here, this upper leg can come right to his side. I'm going to grab his leg here, pull up,